Hi guys, and welcome back to JavaScript Playground. In the previous video, we explored null and undefined in JavaScript and tried some examples to understand them better. So if you haven't watched the video, check it out. I'll add the link in the description below. In today's video, we are going to learn how to use if-else conditional statement in JavaScript. Let's create a new pen. Alright, so today's video is about Alright, so let's try our first example. So if, let's say 5 is greater than 7. Alright, so let's try our first example. So if 7 greater than 5, console log true. So that's the basic syntax for our if condition. So we use the keyword if, and inside these parentheses, our expression defines whether a control flow is going inside this block or not. So if it returns true, then everything that's inside this curly brackets is executed. Similarly, if we want to execute a block of code, if the condition of this expression is true, but we also want to execute another set of code when this condition is false, in that case, we use if-else. So let's just comment this. Let's try an if-else condition. So if 5 greater than 7, console log true, else console log false. So as you can see in the console, we've got false because our condition 5 greater than 7 is false. So our control goes, instead of going to this block, it goes to the else block. Similarly, if we have to check for multiple conditions and execute different code blocks based on those different conditions, so we can use if, else, if. So let's try that. So if 5 greater than 7, then console log 5 greater than 7, else if 7 greater than 8, console log 7 greater than 8, else console log nothing. And as you can see, we've got nothing printed here because first it comes here, so it checks 5 greater than 7, which is false. So it goes in the else condition, and then again there's a condition if 7 is greater than 8, so which is also false. So instead of going to this block, it goes to the next block, which is else part. So it prints console log nothing. Alright guys, that's all for today. I'll add the link for this code pen in the description below for your practice. Try different combinations, use different values, see how the flow of our program goes to different blocks based on different results of our if expressions. And I hope this gave you a better understanding of if-else statements in JavaScript. But if you have any doubts or queries, feel free to drop a comment below or reach out to me on Twitter. I'll add my Twitter handle in the description below. Bye and take care.